Okay, check this out. A 30,000% trading volume jump in just 24 hours. That's how this exchange overtook Binance. But as you can see, this is a 3-year-old article. This happened all the way back in 2017, which begs the question, why are we talking about this exchange now? Well, because we're privacy-minded investors, and if you're like us, you very much care about the integrity of your trades. Low fees and high privacy lead to a great combination, but does CoinEx have all the right features? How is it better than most of the exchanges we use today, and is it true that US citizens can actually use it? Members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, let's get all your questions answered in this video. Hey guys, I am Maddie and we are Altcoin Buzz, a crypto investment research company. Because we were early investors in this crypto space, we've developed a very keen eye for potential 100x altcoin projects. And yes, we know that these crypto markets can be extremely volatile, but the good news is that we've got your back. With us, you can get direct access to early gems, technical analysis, market reports, and also you can interact with our research experts in Altcoin Buzz Access Pro. Slots are still open, and if you're interested, you can find out more information using the link in our description. As a quick reminder, guys, this is a channel in which we share our opinions, and so none of this constitutes financial or investment advice. And of course, if you like the content that you see in this video, be sure to like, subscribe to Altcoin Buzz, and hit the bell to receive notifications to make sure you never miss a future video. All right, so let's get into it. We're looking here at the top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, and as you can see, CoinEx sits at number 52 currently. And that's ranked in terms of exchanges by trading volume. It's been in operation since December 2017, a couple of months after Binance exchange launched, which was, by the way, in June 2017. A little bit of trivia knowledge for you there. Let's talk value proposition. So over these last 4 years, CoinEx earned a strong name in the cryptocurrency space for being a privacy-centric exchange that opens access to a wide array of stablecoins, and it's turned into an ecosystem that has all the following. So check this out here. Number one, it has a crypto and derivatives exchange, CoinEx. Number two, a decentralized public chain ecosystem known as CoinEx Smart Chain. A DEX, a decentralized exchange called OneSwap. Number four, a multi-currency pool known as Via BTC Pool. And finally, a decentralized multi-currency wallet, Via Wallet. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to specifically focus on CoinEx. That is to say, the crypto derivatives exchange only. And for a lot of people, the biggest selling point that they have is a complete lack of KYC, or know your customer. So that will be the focus of today's video, but we just wanted to highlight those other features so that you're aware there's a whole lot more to this platform in case you want to dive deeper into it. While walking through CoinEx, we found it lists different kinds of tokens. It lists metaverse tokens, game tokens, DeFi tokens, all kinds of stuff related to the Solana ecosystem, AMMs, that's automated market makers, layer 2s, driven storages, anything related to the Polkadot ecosystem, and private tokens as well. And this is all good news for us as well as for the exchange. The exchange claims that over 2 million customers spread over 100 countries are currently enjoying these top features of the exchange. So to begin with, there's a huge selection of altcoins, as you can see here. Not only does CoinEx offer a wide array of different altcoins, even including the different protocols they're available on, but they're also constantly adding exciting new projects that go through their vetting process. You also have very low fees. Not only are their fees competitively low, but they can also be brought down further if you hold CET, which is their native token, or if you choose to pay. These are two different discounts that can even be stacked if you so choose. There's also a high level of security. The exchange uses cold wallet storage, but they also let you know whenever anything happens on your account. Just in case it's not you, there are all kinds of alerts that are set up in order to benefit you and to keep you across all the latest developments, if you will. And as I mentioned a moment ago, there is no forced KYC. All you need to enter to sign up for CoinEx is an email address, a strong password, and 2FA, that's two-factor authentication. But if you want to raise your daily withdrawal limit from USD 10,000 to a whopping $1 million, you can get verified if you'd like. I guess maybe if you're a baller, you do need to have such limits in play. That's the goal, right? We all want to become crypto whales and millionaires. And if you do choose to go through KYC, which again is voluntary, you're going to get significantly higher withdrawal limits and access to all promotional activities on the platform, like, for example, a unique referral code. There are also free-ish deposits and withdrawals. Deposits are free, but withdrawals incur a minor fee that depends on the blockchain in question. And then what's really cool is that you have fiat onboarding. The platform supports more than 60 fiat currencies and 6 third-party payment partners, which accept payments via Visa or MasterCard. And aside from spot trading, CoinEx also offers perpetual contracts and margin trading. And of course, these can be combined, which means you can place long buys using leverage from the exchange. In August of 2020, last year, the exchange launched a trade-driven mining program that was immensely popular and made them the world's biggest exchange by 24-hour trading volume for a short period of time. And the last mining program was active in June of 2021. Keep an eye on this space to see if any more such mining programs could be coming up. It is a possibility. Let's discuss tokenomics, everybody's favorite subject. So CoinEx's native ERC20 token is CET. And that has a market cap of about $343 million, and the circulating supply has achieved 93% of the total supply, which is a statistic that we like. CET token hit an all-time high on the 13th of April and traded at about 14 cents US. As you can see right now, it sits at about 8.25 cents US. All in all, CET has grown more than 1,230%. And CET has a burning mechanism which makes its token deflationary by creating a price squeeze. And all the repurchased tokens monthly are destroyed to maintain the total supply at 3 billion. But the question in our mind is, why would you buy a CET token? Well, it's pretty simple actually. It's used to pay transaction fees, and using CET unlocks promotions for you. CET is also the main reason why CoinEx can offer its users the advantage of low fees. Understanding the role of CET in fees is pretty crucial. The total fee percentage is going to depend on 2 main factors. Number 1, how much CET you hold both on the exchange and perhaps in a wallet that you bind to the exchange. So that's a major variable. And number 2, whether you choose to pay transaction fees with CET, which nets you 30% off the amount due. The 2 potential discounts can even be stacked. You can check out the trading fee discounts based on CET holdings at this table here. You can find this on the support section of the CoinEx website. Okay, let's talk access and statistics. So right now, CoinEx has a total trading value of about $720 million in the last 24 hours and $23.95 billion in the last month. Not too bad at all. But then on the other hand, anyone can download the CoinEx app, and you can do this across a series of platforms, including Google Play, in the App Store, of course, and with Android APK. It's also very interesting to see that CoinEx has worked in an API, so developers can build their own trading tools to achieve a more effective trading strategy. And finally, CoinEx has a 24/7 client support area, and we hear from the community that their support truly is fantastic. Now let's get to the interesting part. Can US citizens use CoinEx? That's the big question here. Well, they're not saying it outright, but in their service page, the US citizens are not prohibited either. So here's how we look at it. If you're a US citizen, we suggest you try using CoinEx, but be warned, you may want to do so at your own discretion and do so cautiously. And of course, CoinEx has been in the news. They're celebrating their 4th anniversary by giving away a lot of prizes and surprises for everyone into events. Prizes like $15,000 in CET, an iPhone 13, a MacBook Pro, 16 inches by the way. You can easily claim these prizes on YouTube, on Facebook, on Telegram, shown here. Also on Twitter, they're conducting some pretty interesting giveaways. So if you want to participate in this important event, stay tuned to their social media accounts to have the best chance to win these great prizes. Let's have a look at the roadmap now. So in sync with this 4th anniversary celebration, CoinEx has also accomplished and ticked off some very significant milestones like the CoinEx exchange, the CET token, via wallet, via BTC Capital, and of course the CoinEx smart chain. And so right now, as best as we can tell, CoinEx is really planning on its expansion globally. It wants to become a top-tier exchange and wants to be thought of as being right up there with the likes of Binance, Coinbase, and others. So after completely analyzing this platform, we can conclude that CoinEx has everything it takes to boost its development and growth in the ecosystem. What makes CoinEx different from some of its competitors is that it has its own blockchain, very importantly, which is a decentralized and energy-efficient blockchain based on the POS, that's proof of stake consensus process. Very few platforms have developed something similar. Also, CoinEx has a decentralized version of its exchange called OneSwap, where you can just connect your wallet and trade anonymously. Therefore, this platform does have the potential, at least in our opinion, to truly achieve sustained growth and be a mega leader in this space in the future. So there you have it, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Check this one out if you've not already, and never financial advice, but of course we wish you only the best of luck if you choose to invest. If you guys are still watching this video, why not like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other videos, which should be popping up right about now, all kinds of great related subjects if you haven't watched those videos already. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Be well, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.